Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials so you can build a game mode now. Make sure Xcode and a registered Apple developer account are ready, and enable developer mode on the iPhone. Once connected, pair the device in Xcode so you can deploy and debug. Create a new app or add a game target, selecting the proper language and game kit or low-level frameworks. This sets the project structure and entitlements, so you can add game-specific code and test immediately. Next, implement the game loop and input so the mode actually runs. You'll use CA display link or metal to drive frames and wire touch and controller input to your game state. At the same time, instrument performance with instruments. Reduce allocations, batch draws, and target 60 FPS to maintain responsiveness on iPhone. Make sure to configure AV audio session and handle app lifecycle, pause on background, resume cleanly, because those behaviors define a reliable play experience, and finish by testing and deploying the game mode across devices, because different iPhones behave differently under load. Once stable, set signing and entitlements, then archive and distribute via test flight or ad hoc for wider QA. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue on the device while attached to Xcode, capture the crash or log, and symbolicate the crash report to find the failing line. Then fix the root cause, memory race, or API misuse, and retest to confirm the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.